Hello friends, I am Tanay. It's been a while since I uploaded my previous video. So today in this video I am going to show you my new project code application with blockchain. So let's start. This application is built with Solidity, Python and React. One can upload a code on it and the code will be visible to all the users. The smart contract on which this application works is built with Solidity. On this smart contract, which is deployed on a live Ethereum testnet chain called Gordy, one can add a new user, upload a new code and get new codes uploaded at that time. The smart contract is deployed on the live chain using Python script which uses the package Brownie. The web UI is built with React TypeScript. I have used mainly 3 npm packages here. First, dApps. This package is used here to call the functions of smart contract deployed on the live chain. Second, Material UI. I have used this package to style the web UI within the TypeScript file. I found it to be a great alternative for CSS. Third, React Toastify. This npm package is used here to show notifications within the web UI to notify the users what is currently happening. So now I am going to show you to run this application on your machine. So now the first step is to choose a web browser. Well, I personally prefer Brave. Now let's open it. Now we have to install a cryptocurrency wallet and I prefer MetaMask for this purpose. To install MetaMask, we will go to metamask.io. Now we have to click this button which says download for Brave. It will redirect us to the extensions page and here we will click add to Brave button. Click add extension. Now it will send us to a page called MetaMask. So here we will click get started. Now on this step we have to click I agree. After clicking it, you will be asked to create a new wallet or import an existing one. On this step, choose create wallet or import one if you already have it. Now create a new password of minimum 8 characters. Now click in this box and choose a good password. Now enter the same password in confirm password field. After this, click in this box and click create. Now click next button. After this, you will be given a secret recovery phrase that you can use to recover your money when you forget your password. Well, keep it hidden to avoid other people to use your wallet and your money. So now click here and copy this phrase and paste it in a text file. So I have done it. Now we will click the next button and then you will be set to confirm your secret recovery phrase. To do this, you will need to click these blocks in the same order as they are in the text file. After you have completed it, click on confirm button. Then we have successfully created our MetaMask wallet. We will click all done now. The application I have built works on the Gordy test network. Now click here and then click show or hide test networks. Now click here to enable this feature. Then switch your network to Gordy test network. Now we will go to the home page. Now to get some testnet faucets, we will go to gordyfaucet.com. Here, log in with your Alchemy account. So I have successfully logged in with my Alchemy account, and now we have to click this extensions icon and then click MetaMask. After the MetaMask window pops up, copy your account address. Click it to copy, and then we will paste in the text box given in the website. After doing it, click on Send Me ETH button. Now it will send some testnet Ethereum into your account. The transaction will be completed in few seconds. So it has completed and we have got 0.2 godly ETH. Now to run this application, you will need to install Node.Js and npm. I am using Ubuntu or Linux, so I will guide you to install it on Linux. But you should install it according to your OS. So first I will open the terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Now I will type sudo apt update and then press the enter button. After the command executes, we will type sudo apt install Node.Js to install Node.Js. Now we will check version of Node.js. For that we will type node-v and press enter. So we have got 16.19.0 version. Now we will check if the npm is installed by checking its version npm-v. So it's also installed with Node.js. Now we have Node.js and npm. So it's time to install Git. For that we will type sudo apt install git. Now as the Git is installed, we will clone the repository of my application. You can find its link in the description. Now copy its link and go back to the terminal. So now we will type cd desktop. This is to go into the desktop folder. To clone this repository, we will type git clone and the link that we copied earlier. So now we will be able to run the application. For that we will type cd code application godly and press enter. Now we are into code application godly folder. Now we will go into my app folder. So let me show you its directory. So here is the folder and here is the my app folder. Now to install the packages that it requires to run, we will type npm install --force. Now we will start the application by typing npm start. So it will start the application in the web browser. So here we will be asked to connect our MetaMask wallet. Click on this connect button to connect the wallet. The MetaMask should pop up and then we will click next and then connect. So the application will get all the codes from the smart contract. It has already done it. As we can see, you are ready to go. So there are already 3 codes posted on this application. First is enter, second Tana, and third once again enter. Now we will sign in to the application. For that we will click sign in button. In this box we will type our username. For example, let's take the username Jack. So press the proceed button. The notification says request sent and the MetaMask has popped up. So here scroll down and click on confirm button. After some time the transaction will be done and we will be able to post a code on this application. So now it says sign in success. That means we have successfully signed in and that box has gone. Now in this text box we have to type the code which we want to post on this application. For example, let's type a code. Now we will click the send button. After this the MetaMask should pop up and we have to do the same thing, scroll down and click on confirm button. Now the notification says new code by Jack and that's my username. So it has also generated the box in which we can see the username, the wallet address, the time at which the code was posted and the code itself. I will post a code with another device. Here I have uploaded a code with another account named Tony. So now we have got the message new code by Tony. Also it has generated a box with username Tony, wallet address, time and also the code. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. So please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries related to the project, let me know in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.